Today, I'm showing y'all how to become A$AP Rocky. Well, not become him, but I will be giving y'all the keys to unlock his secret side and get your Instagram pictures from looking like they were shot on a toaster to this beautiful quality. And who knows, you might just find yourself a queen like Rihanna. This is a new series called 3 Minute Thursday, where just like the name, I have 3 minutes to teach y'all whatever y'all want to learn. Today's video idea was selected by Kai over on Instagram. If you want to be able to select future video ideas, all you got to do is follow me on Instagram. But to cut the rambling, we got 3 minutes on the clock. Let's go. Today I'm going to recreate this photo from Rocky's Instagram, and before I get any comments like this, I'm well aware that this was probably shot on film, but when you've been editing filters like this for as long as I have, you tend to be able to make a little bit of magic happen. So we're going to make some magic today with our iPhone, and based off a quick look at the image, it's obvious that it was taken with some sort of flash, which is super key to keep in mind so we know how we're going to be shooting our photos, and the closer that we're able to get it to the reference before the edit, the better. For this one, there isn't much else to dissect, so I think it's time to take the picture, but I just don't think that I can do it like this. No, it just doesn't feel right. I think this is definitely better. Now that we've changed and put a little bit of jewelry on, I think we're ready to take this picture. The first thing that's very important about us taking this picture is lighting. We do not want to be in direct sunlight or a bright room, so I have my LEDs turned down and my flash activated. This is my setup. The tripod's obviously not needed if you have someone to take your picture, but unfortunately I'm a loner, so we're just gonna have to rock out like this. A pro tip to make this a little bit easier is using a Bluetooth clicker like me. They're only a few dollars on Amazon and makes it a lot easier than using self-timer. So I tried taking a few pics and recording, and it wasn't working out because the few lights that I needed to record this video was throwing off the pictures. Once I turned off the camera and all the lights, here are the results I got. As you can see, they're way better, and that's exactly why you need to take these pictures in a dark environment. After taking close to 50 pictures, I think we found the one. To the editing station we go. To edit the pictures, we're using the free Adobe Lightroom app. Now it's finally time to go through the editing settings, but since I'm clearly running out of time, I'm gonna speed through it, but you can either slow down the video or press pause to keep up. It's Dre from the edit, and for the people that are still watching, I just wanted to tell y'all to subscribe to the channel. Almost 90% of y'all that are watching aren't subscribed, and I'm trying to hit 5K subs before the end of the year. And let's get back into the video. So once we have our photo imported, the first place I always like to go is the color tab and just mess with the temperature and tint. One thing that y'all need to know is that your settings won't be perfect, especially in the color and light tab, because our lighting is not going to be the exact same. So once you learn what each slider does, you don't have to look at the numbers, just the picture and what changes are being made. I like to go into the curves. You'll see this type of curve on any type of picture with flash, just to add some more pop. Now we get into the part that is matching the color. As you can see, I swipe in between the reference and going back, and I'm honestly struggling trying to figure out what colors are being used. But we're right there. Last two finishing touches are some grain. We want it to look grungy, just like Rocky's photo. Just add the last finishing touches, a little bit of fade, and perfect. And stop the clock. Like that, we just barely beat the clock. Here's the before and after of our picture, which is honestly just insane. Here's the after photo compared to the reference. And as you can see, it was pretty damn close. And in my opinion, it even looks a little better. I may be biased, but let me know in the comments below. If you followed along, let me know if you got results similar to mine. If you enjoyed and want more presets, I offer plenty of free and professional Lightroom presets on my website. I also post tutorials, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. Check out this video where I show you exactly how to take pictures like a pro all by yourself. I love you guys, and as always, peace.